In real-time mode, the RSA 5000 is able to set up to 6 traces and 8 markers in the normal display mode, and 8 markers in the advanced measurement modes. Shown here is the signal being presented in a density and spectrogram view. I have placed 2 markers on the density plot to show the signal's bandwidth, and then I have placed a third marker on the spectrogram to show how it can not only be placed along the frequency axis, but also along the z-axis as a time component. We are also able to calculate the third dB point of a signal by using the NDB bandwidth function built into the marker menu.